Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
Yeah, bless up to the people set me with that again. The granny place, you know?
Then how you tell salad, how you eat now? Tights?
Oh, I'm exercise thing this morning. Exercise, but I'm exercising in the morning time, you know?
Oh. So we say you're up on the exercise part.
Get up and not do.
Woo! Morning! How that? Chani.
Chani.
Lord God. So you say you're up on an exercise thing.
Yes, exercise thing. So
I look for Alan here in 9 tights. Alan in 9 tights, say my exercise.
Get up and do some work.
You're good. Alright, look more. You get up in a man and do Alan?
Do some little work, you know? Move on and some little something.
Alright.
Yes, my people. Respect. I set me over there. I go and line up some color, strip it up. I don't know, I forgot all the while Auntie come up and I forgot to try line up some breakfast for him this morning, you know? No matter what. I forgot to make sure she get her breakfast. Yeah, man. So, respect to the people, you know? We're there. Set me over there.
Sure, go on.
Two black right now.
Alright. So you're going to set up a fire for me? Alright. Alright then. Who get where? Betty? I thought you're goat. I make Betty I go get where and eat off the renter then. Walk on girl, come here. Come. Cup. Come. Come now. Come. Alan, watch how she look like she understand me. Come here.
You know, so you see, if you throw it on flour, you have my shoe. Half flour. So you get to him sitting there.
Open the box, Alan. How are you having? How are you in the box, Alan? Open the box, how much people inside?
Pepsi.
Whoa, mosquito.
And what one name?
Sky vodka.
Sky
Vodka.
Something.
And I warm up on the spirit.
Yeah. Cheer up the spirit, you know.
When you can't do the rum before curry come, you know. That's a judgment.
I think if you ever come and see back empty.
A judgment.
Yes, the other one.
So Alan, at what time you feel like that breakfast you go already?
After 9 and now. 11 o'clock I breakfast.
11?
But I remember say I still I forgot to always calorie alone I still. But I said 10:30.
Show some more water and something. Then I will have in my bag there otherwise.
I seasoning bag that, you know.
Oh. I'm an Anglian with the color man. Every time I come up here, I want to bush tea. Should I put on a bush tea for boil?
Ketchup before you show, I mean I go for you.
Should I go ketchup if
What kind of tea you want?
Jack in the bush?
Jack in the bush.
Or Jack in the bush or black. You can't get no search me out. Search me out down Alan Terence and see search me out down the road. I drink look. I not tell like.
Yeah man, you want to search me out.
More because a long time I not drink none.
You not drink one of them called no bars.
You find it no bazi? But that you tell me last time but you never have. Boy, you search me out to the no bazi.
No bars? You know bush where the right say you
We have a nice flavor.
You touch you smell sweet your chef. We beer some sweet.
Yeah, I want you sure make the people and see it.
You're right. Are you starting you say see in no bars again? No bars. Right, want to line up beside there for me?
No, I tell him say when him going to call me.
And this one there?
So let's show them the see there, right?
Yeah, man.
See there? So Paris, this is our little local basil. This is the one we know. But country people them call it nuno bazi. Eh? Pull it here, is pull it. See it with the little seeds right there, so. Yeah, this is the one. Carrot up right here is. This is the one that we know. This is the smooth leaf one. This one is not what we buy seeds. It just come up naturally. You smell it here is?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
So we are gonna make it now with some search me out, and if we could get pieces. So we're gonna make bush tea. St. Mary nice Sunday morning, yeah. We're gonna look 2 more bush. So when we get them, we're gonna make you see. This is our original basil. We just come up of itself. We don't buy any seeds to plant these. Our local Jamaican basil. Let me take a picture. Here it is. Come on, Tyson. So Paris, guys, them a do a good job. Them a clean off the side of the road. Normally I would have the government or something come figure out work. But me just tell them, say, look here. I could just clean off the side of the road, and you know, when I come, me deal with them. Because you don't know, you see how the road look different. Like that is my gate, past my gate going up. You can see how, you know, the place just start to lighten up. Good morning, darling. You know, so that is how up the road look. See, so far, so we're cleaning off, so we go up. So this is right cross. Right here, so cross from down the road. All through right here, so Uncle Murphy car running up on the side. So this is a right cross from Mama Little Place. Down at the bottom house. Right down in the bottom yard there, so. Yeah, straight back to up there, so. So may I give a look overview. And down in the bottom yard there, so. We're working. We're working. We're working. But we are take with time. We not rush nothing. You know, we are working. This is the new 5-star Jamaican country yard. We're working on it. We're cleaning up, and we are gonna be planting flowers, and we are gonna get a little lawn somewhere across here. And you see the guys, we have a lot more. We're not disclosing everything, but we are working. You can see the whole. Let me show you everything. We are gonna be moving these. So right there. So the breadfruit tree where the guys them, and it feels so beautiful. It feels so fresh. The guys them, you hear about show more out there in the background. This is a family thing. This is my personal channel that I want you to share with me. I have so much to offer you whenever you come here and want to come and look for me. So this is what the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train is all about. And as far as you can see, Uncle Murphy, careful, you know. You can see the guys them out there, so. We have the flat, we have the old fat. And right across there, we're still cleaning up, we're still cleaning up. So as we go along, you can see, so we have a nice little country look going on right here. We've got a lot more to do, but at the end of the day, we are going. Because right here, so now, we are right now, we can cook food and drink music and eat and drink and laugh, you know. But there's a lot more to come on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train. Catch you. So when you say, Alan, you not buy cut up callaloo?
No, me no buy a cut up callaloo. Me have to buy my callaloo to get it to strip myself.
Me say so to Alan. That is why me not buy it, because me find say sometimes when it look like it not strip good.
No, not strip good. No,
me not bash nobody, you know. No. We not everything good. But at the same time, me is a funny one when it come to my callaloo. Me like strip my callaloo myself.
Strip my callaloo myself.
Yeah, man. So Parry, if you watch this and you love if you strip your callaloo yourself, comment and tell me.
No, man, tell me.
Yeah, because it's when you cook it and I eat it and you strip on it, it one weird.
Yes, man. And you see them, yeah? If you know them thing, yeah? And them you see when you steam the callaloo, you see them in it like a straw, like a car. So when I see them, I like to strip my own callaloo.
Yeah, and that can't eat.
No, so I don't know enough to eat.
Can't digest them there. It's like a plastic, like, you know. Yeah. Can't cook.
Can't cook.
Yeah, so no, we say, Alan, no cut up callaloo for you.
No,
as a Rasta man, you have to strip your own callaloo.
I have to strip my own callaloo.
At you.
Take me a little time.
Yeah.
Strip it as I want it.
At you, sir.
Yeah.
There you have it, Paris. Touch them up with the Clay Rum, the show. Yeah, me no want curry come near contact about things he goes down here. You can't manage curry and a ghost story. Yeah, should wet them up, yeah.
You see what they know? Vamos, you know. I was thinking, you know. How much I tell them? 1-1. Come on, phone, but I was 7 each of them, you know.
I got to them.
Then now, come on, you know. I'm without 1.3 and I saw. I'm a style, you know. You know, I saw. Everything from one day.
Yes, man, I saw.
Okay. You're about 3, no? Okay. You're right, 3. You're right, 3.
So where you put on the shoe?
Okay. You're right, 3.
Lord have mercy. So you heal up there now?
Yeah, man.
Damn countryman thing. A long time I not see you, man.
Yeah, man.
You're good. Where your next brother? Oh, I see your brother all the while when he come.
I'm gone. Pull out and gone over.
Okay, so are you did down a spring? Past stand up a look?
No.
Oh. They say they depends on work. That's why I never see you from where they are.
Depends on hard work, yeah.
Yeah, so it go youth. If you don't work, you don't eat.
Yeah, man, I tell Lance I can link him still, but
Oh.
make sure I look over so I tell Lance I'm on work and until I get time.
Yeah, man.
Can you tell me something for focus me and do it now?
Yeah.
But I tell you I can do one for you,
But through the work, yeah.
let's get back up.
All and there, so with that dull knife, I cut up the breakfast, I wait for another, but it,
You search me out, yeah.
search me out. I know leaf of life. What we are doing with leaf of life? Come in with it, here is. Oh, search me out. You don't find no more, no Bazi? Come show people let me search me. Hey, I want a nice piece of tea. This in a boy, you know long we not drink none. Search me out. Then I mean I tell boy. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Search me out, Parry. The leaf it coming like velvet. It have this velvet feel. Yeah, I don't know in other countries what they call it or if there's another name, scientific name. But in Jamaica, in my parish, we call it search me out. See there? Search me out. That's how we call it. Very nice tea. Very, very nice tea. Here is get it with all some root and all of that. So look here. When them come check for we, so we have the real herbal tea. Them figure them in right here, right?
Sure, man.
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, man. We have the herbal tea.
My name?
Heavy.
Heavy.
Every single day. Yeah, man. In bread. Every morning in drink search me out tea. And not every morning tea, yeah. That's like I like him brain start go a little, but every morning search me out tea. For years and it not do him nothing. Search my heart, man. Yeah, this can plant. Yeah. Him have you have a catty? Oh! Oh! So Alan, that's it. From you have Netflix up a Yaad there, in a bush here. A catty have in there with all a big head spliff. Cause that's it. Him know he has an original bad boy when it come to the girls them. Yeah, that's it, yo. I be a things Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy yellow people have. Yeah, with a red stripe. Yeah. Yeah. So that's it, a straight things that go on up there, so. From the Netflix drop. So the son a big up floor, cause floor we have pick up right here, so. Alright, straight sir. In a bush, yeah, floor there. So floor me a big up for you first time. Floor now go and go that town, them a go and go that country. Yeah, yeah. In the bill. We're not sponsored though, you know. Floor you need for sponsor way. You need for sponsor the Jamaican Debbie Deb's Shrine. So where you going with the young Alan? Parry, I am barefooted. It is so nice right here. I'm barefooted. Alan, how you put on the bush tea? I don't understand why you take so long with the look at breakfast. I want to go on right here, so. The chicken them at out, then Alan. Then they want more water to put on chicken them to make them talk.
Unless.
I want an iPad. I see an iPad, Alan. I bought show the man for the fire, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Stina start, but some of that we want. So we have Piece of dry Cersei. Some Nunobazi and piece of search me heart.
Yeah.
Real herbal tea this, you know, Alan, tell them.
Real urban tea this.
Yeah, man.
When you drink this tea, you feel
Yeah,
nice.
man, your body feel different,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah,
Your
man.
body feel different, man. See, sir? So we are drink some herbal tea and then we are eat some greens and grotto bread. Yeah, alright? Yeah. So what you say here, you not smoke the weed?
No, sir.
Why?
I don't smoke the weed because one time I smoke the weed and I tell you, say, sit down and say me a well a meditation. And I tell you, say, me go over my head like a helicopter. And I say, what go on, man? And I look up if I see helicopter, not a helicopter.
And in your head that a go on?
Come like a in my head.
And here he say when him not smoke weed, because one time he smoke the weed. I saw him here in head like helicopter. So look here, no weed smoking. Don't smoke the weed here is. Don't smoke the weed.
I saw them say when they feel hot.
Yeah, no, your brain, your nerves. You have to go drink some Medina.
No, sir, when Medina dangerous, sir. That's worse.
So what you say, Alan?
Yeah,
yes, man, Alan. Me like how the search me heart look, man.
And this are the Cersei and the Cersei.
Search me heart. No, no, bazi. I tonic that in a boy. You say my boy long the Alan. I want to cup him. No, no sugar in it, you know. Yeah. Alan take him out when I want to enjoy him. Mellow, man. Mellow. Let's rest him side where they saw Alan. It all drop, man. It all drop, Alan. Let's put him right on the side. Right. Alan, it still not stay good, you know, look there. It don't stay good, man. Where's the visitor cup that? Yeah. They say I entertain auntie.
I'm going to fix up auntie.
Alright, cool, sir. Put him right there, so Alan. Put him on this. Man, hold on there, hold this. Alright, make him blow out here, Alan. See the parry, Alan, put him in our dark color cup. You should have put him in our clear color cup, Alan. If you didn't see him, put him in a clear color cup, Alan. Yeah. You rinse him out already? Rinse him. Throw him in there, Alan. Make them see. Say it's not joking that, Alan.
Real tonic this.
Yeah, man. You said search me at in a party.
Yeah, you see
and the Nuno Bazi, you know, man. You see if all the green coconut milk going out now?
Jesus Christ, you know what tap drinking.
You're not tap drinking.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
your table is down a gully, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Table is so we are deal with the cooking, you know?
Feed there, yeah?
Feed there, yeah.
All right, good, sir. I'm going to suck my tea.
Yeah, man, I line up the color now.
Oh, you're going to start look about the color now?
So I late cook after me.
No, why you keep up color look cut up, party?
But I have to cut up my color these things.
Sunday morning breakfast, late as ever. But we are wait for Alan. Sunday breakfast up our mama. Yeah, catch you. But Alan, yeah, take long with the breakfast. Alan, the pot lean.
I carry the something, turn over the 2 pieces of iron.
Alan look like he no level the black them.
No man, you want to turn over the iron. Turn over the iron then.
The other way.
Yeah, turn the iron.
But it's still a go lean, cause the black them no straight.
Turn over the iron then, man. I carry. Turn over the iron then.
Alan, you want a gas stove?
Right.
You go get net. Alan have Netflix. So Alan, you go want gas stove. Right, Uncle Murphy?
Yeah.
You can't have Netflix and a cook pan wood fire. Where you say, Alan?
I really think that.
Yeah, you have to go get a decent gas stove, yeah. I work around that. No Netflix around here and cooking on wood fire. But more than who like wood fire cooking,
Yeah,
you know?
man, like all you know.
Yes, man. Food sweet, man.
Food I say gas run out. And wife here first I say, they call them brethren to buy gas. When them brethren come, them brethren say, they not can catch up.
So you say, Alan, are the real Rastaman scheme in a Calalo there?
Yeah, man, I really last the man scheme in a color.
Yeah.
And what if season.
Yeah, you know, and them, you know, deal with them something. Alright. You have to make him steam down pan a medium heat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, want him a steam pan a high
high
heat for
heat.
burn him up
No,
and him
no.
still not cook.
And it's still not cooking.
Yeah.
And take time, steam down.
Steam down. Right, sir? good, sir. And we have some grata bread, right?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Late St. Mary Sunday morning breakfast, as usual. Because from Alan, I look about it affiliate.
Affiliate.
Hey! Boy, I like how your color look. Put no falan. Like a bit, man. I like how your color look color. I like the color. Yeah. And take the at the fire, you know, see the fire there, Parry.
Yeah, man.
You know, if you have the fire lower, if you have it higher, and yo.
Fire no fire on that. Fire push. The fire no burn up already.
Yeah, bow too rapid on the fire. Yeah. Real greens in this, you know. Yeah, morning. How that, Maggie? Yes, darling. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alan, your color look good, boy.
I said, we know how to do it, you know.
Yeah, man. All breeder we know how to do it. Yeah, man. The Medina go on. Yeah, Medina. What with the Medina, Alan?
Kalalo, go on.
Kalalo, yeah, Alan. Comment, Parry. Comment, pa Alan Kalalo.
Yeah, man.
Love it.
Tell we how it stay.
Yeah, man.
Real stuff, this, you know.
Show them say we not curry in our place,
Yeah,
people.
man, we not
From
each one
curry in our place, yeah, man.
We know each one I do it,
Yeah,
you know.
real deal you get when you come a yard, yeah. Real deal. We not have nothing to hide.
Not hide, not.
You couldn't see me coming at yellow people.
Blessed love. And most blessings again. Rasta no curry this, you know.
Yeah, the jackal. After you are roast breadfruit and tin mackerel, and you make you carry some. Let me tell you, Paris, a lot of people don't understand. Curry and Alan doesn't live at the same house. Alan live down by Mama, Curry having own house.
Exactly
Yeah,
so.
Curry, how much apartment when you had? Curry about 10?
11.
11. Curry having one house. So a lot of people think Curry and Alan live down a Mama. Curry don't live down a Mama. No. See? So, Curry in that place. So, come past Curry now. Curry eat half in breakfast and not carry down for me. But we nice same way, man. We nice.
My God, man. Because we should have carry some.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, here is don't cut off the chicken batty. I want it. Yeah, that's me tell you, show you. Put it down there, so me show you how to do it. Turn it over. Turn it over. You see that little top piece there? A little top piece here, right? You see that one here? Right there, so? You see my finger there? Just slice it up. But I want the other bottom part. Chicken batty, you know my chicken? No! Here is what you do. That little piece here. Just cut off the chicken. Let it back. Me fix, show you if you fix it up. Yeah, cut off your wing, man. Here is. Yeah, so, same so. Yeah, then you take off the thigh, then the bread. Yeah, you know, don't cut up two of them. So what you say? You start dinner. You start dinner and you not give me no breakfast for eat yet.
I put on that like you go on, boy. I line up the breakfast, you know. I get to eat and relax.
Relax?
Yes, sir.
Me can't relax now because by the time this breakfast done, every time Kobe then say, Mommy, I don't can stay long. Last time we come, we not get no food. Where breakfast there? And here is a help you. How about them here, Alan?
You want some wood?
Kalalo, no, give me that for me and Terence. Kalalo look good though. Yeah, we just go and break bread and eat out there, so.
Yeah. That's alright.
My pot drop off. Yeah, man, that good. Why you not kind of plate for this one for Murphy?
That's my seat.
You want to plate the Alan, you have to rinse out the plate them.
No, I wash them out and rinse them up a yard.
Oh, then look, so I walk on for them. I saw them stay. Oh, where not this? Oh, garlic and something. Yeah, garlic in here. Alright, give me that. Me just broke a piece of that. Like I broke already. I eat grata bread. All this Alan.
Yeah, one fork.
Put one fork there. Yeah. So, Kalalo, breakfast ready.
Yeah.
Breakfast time.
Alright.
So breakfast time, Parry. We are eating kalalo and grata bread. Man, you step back here.
Yeah, man.
So we have broke bread. You never broke bread and eat here is?
Yeah, man.
Country something this. Me and Dad are going to eat. You never broke bread and eat curry? Yeah.
Where's this? Straight grata bread.
Rata bread and callaloo. I like that breakfast time in the morning.
Yeah,
Show
man.
them here it.
See it there?
The butter bread.
Well
yeah,
up.
a callaloo.
Yeah,
Yep.
man.
Yep.
Some Terence hold it right away.
Me and him a go eat this. You touch.
Yes, Uncle Murph.
Oi.
Food ready. Go and dish up yourself.
You that. Get to
Show
Uncle
them your
Murph.
food there, Uncle Murph. Uncle Murph bread slice.
My.
But for me one broke.
Need this, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
Show
Uncle
them your
Murph.
loo. Show them your callaloo.
Callaloo and
Grata
Grata
bread.
bread.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yes, sir. Good cooking callaloo Aries. What you say?
Yeah, man. Top man.
Callaloo good.
Yeah.
Curry belly full. Curry no eat none.
Good man, me good.
Good cooking callaloo. Show them a callaloo sandwich, Tommy. Good cooking, boy. Callaloo nice salad. Yeah, man, the callaloo not full of no powder season and in a salt. Blow about show say you see it down there, so? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Good cooking, Alan. Good cooking. Me love the callaloo, boy.
Cook with salt.
Yeah, man. Good cooking, Alan. Callaloo good to the last drop.
Yes, man.
Me love the callaloo, Alan. Me like it. You know, salt, me not taste no powder seasoning and all them something there. Everybody a eat.